Hello friends, it's Moy here. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about free Microsoft Office for students and educators. Do you know that students and educators from academic institutions that have purchased Office for faculty and staff can sign up and install Microsoft Office for free, including Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, and Teams, among others. By the end of this video, you will learn how to sign up and install Office. Even if your learning institution is not eligible, you will also learn how to use Office online for free. To get started, you need a valid school email address. To sign up and install, open your web browser and type Office for Education. Don't worry, I'll also leave the link in the comment section. Click this option. Scroll down, enter your school email address here, and click Get Started. Choose an option that best describes your status. It will tell you that you already have an account with Office 365. Go ahead and click Continue. This will take you to your student email login page. Go ahead and log into your email now. It will return you to Office 365 education page. Click Continue. Now you have access to download Office 365 for your laptop, Mac, or iPad. To install, click Install Apps. A drop-down menu will appear. Clicking the first option will install the Office 365 in English. However, to install Office 365 in your language, click the second option. For the purpose of this video, go ahead and click the first option. Clicking either option will start downloading Office in the background. Click Open after the Microsoft installer downloads and follow the on-screen instruction to install successfully. Open any of the apps and sign in with your valid school email address to activate Office. Meanwhile, if you are not eligible, no worries. You can still use Office online for free. To do this, go to office.com. If you don't have a Microsoft account, click here to sign up. Meanwhile, if you already have a Microsoft account, click Sign In. Enter your login details. From here, you can use Office Online for free. Click to use any of the Office 365 software on the sidebar. When you are done, you can save your work or share with others. Meanwhile, if you want to install and use Office 365 offline, you are required to buy Office 365. To buy Office 365, click Buy Microsoft 365. Microsoft provides a wide range of options that fits your budget, personal plan, and also the family plan. Both of these plans are a little under $100 a year. Thank you so much for watching. That is all we have time for today. See you in the next video.